Hello everyone, welcome to Honaris Arts and Lifestyle channel. Today I will be showing you Shivling Alankaram using fruits. The fruits that I am going to use for this Alankaram are pomegranate and grapes. I will be using some new items for this decoration, and for that I have ordered this tiger skin kind of a fabric from Amazon. So I'll be leaving a link for this in the description box of the video in case you guys want to purchase it. But if it is too late for you and you're not able to purchase this, what you can also do is take a orange or a brown piece of cloth and you can just paint stripes like this in black on that, okay? And apart from that, I will be needing a circular object slightly bigger than the table on which I'm going to rest the shivling, okay? So for that, I have actually taken this particular steel plate. And as you can see, it's only slightly bigger than the base of this particular table. So now let me show you how I'm going to cut this. The concept behind using this particular tiger skin fabric is that Shiva actually sits on a tiger skin, okay? So that is the reason why I'm actually making a mat using the tiger skin fabric. So take the fabric upside down, take a pen and mark a circle using the plate according to the measurement that you have selected. Once that circle is ready, now start giving some random shapes to this. Ideally, we should be having a face of a tiger and two hands and two legs and a tail. But since I don't have the face of a tiger, I'm just going to give some random wavy shape to this particular tiger skin. Once the shape is ready, cut the cloth using the scissor. So here is a tiger skin ready for our shivling. Just make sure that after you cut this particular tiger skin, in case if it is made of fur, the fur will start coming out at the edges. So you'll have to remove the fur, and in case if the fur is not cut properly, you'll have to cut it again. And I will also be using this artificial grass mat that I got from Amazon. Again, I'll be leaving a link for all these items in the description box of the video. And this is how it's going to look when I keep this particular table on top of this tiger skin. Now for the decoration, take some rice flour and a half a spoon of turmeric. I've taken about 1.5 handful of rice flour here and mix it with water. The consistency that we are looking at is that of a butter which is at the room temperature. Make sure that it is not too thin, because if it is too thin then you'll not be able to apply it on the shivling. Now for the alankaram, take the shivling and put Nagabharna on the shivling. And the items that I have taken for today's decoration is pomegranate. So I have taken out the kernels of pomegranate and kept it ready. And I have taken some green grapes just to give a contrast. In case if you are able to get the small round grapes, that will look very good. But since I could not get it, this is what I have taken. Now start applying this rice flour mixture everywhere on the shivling. So dear friends, this becomes the alankaram using the fruits, that is pomegranate and the grapes. You can use any type of fruits, but just make sure that it is very small in size, because the lingu that we would have taken itself will be very small. And bear in mind that the shape of the fruit should either be oval in shape or it should be round in shape. So I hope you have liked this decoration. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.